What if I told you that the car of your dreams could quickly turn into your worst nightmare? It might look shiny and new in the showroom, but not all cars are built to last. In 2025, some vehicles are already gaining a reputation for spending more time in repair shops than on the road. What makes a car unreliable? It's not just one issue. We're talking about dashboards lit up like Christmas trees, frequent breakdowns, and repair costs that keep piling up. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more honest car reviews, tips, and industry insights. At number 10, we have the Jeep Cherokee. While it's built for rugged terrains, owners report frequent issues with electrical systems and a transmission that can leave you stuck halfway through your adventure. The Tesla Model X takes the 9th spot. Its futuristic design is impressive, but build quality remains a concern. Misaligned panels, malfunctioning Falcon doors, and software glitches have left many owners frustrated. Chevy fans, brace yourselves. The 2025 Silverado 1500 lands at number 8. While it's built to tow, recurring engine and drivetrain problems make this truck a gamble. Owners complain about inconsistent performance and major engine repairs right out of warranty. Not exactly what you want in a workhorse, right? Luxury doesn't always mean reliability. The Audi Q5 takes the 7th spot for issues with its turbocharged engines and complex electronics. Many drivers report engine misfires and costly repairs to the infotainment system. Audi's style is top-notch, but reliability? Not so much. At number 6 is the Nissan Sentra. While affordable, this compact sedan is plagued by frequent CVT transmission failures. Add in complaints about poor interior build quality, and you got a car that might cost more in repairs than it saves up front. The 2025 Ford Explorer earns its spot at number 5 due to persistent engine and cooling system problems. It's a popular family SUV, but with issues like overheating engines and frequent trips to the shop, it's leaving families stranded more often than it should. At 4, here's a shocker: the 2025 BMW X7. This luxury SUV is beautiful inside and out, but its air suspension system and electronics have been a nightmare for owners. Reliability takes a back seat to flashy features and repair costs? Let's just say they're not for the faint of heart. Subaru fans, look away. The 2025 Subaru Ascent is number 3 due to ongoing engine and transmission problems. Despite its all-weather capability, owners report constant repairs that overshadow its practicality. Luxury strikes again with the 2025 Range Rover Velar taking 2nd place. With unreliable electronics, frequent oil leaks, and suspension issues, this SUV proves that even the poshest vehicles can be a headache. And the number 1 most unreliable car of 2025 is the Alfa Romeo Giulia. While stunning to look at and thrilling to drive, the Giulia's reliability record is infamous. Transmission failures, electrical glitches, and unpredictable performance make it a car you love to hate. It's a heartbreaker, but it's hard to ignore. So there you have it, the 10 most unreliable cars of 2025. Did your favorite make the list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.